Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Defender SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app from your starting. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the Microsoft Defender SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app starting error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to just click on the start menu, then type here settings. Then in left side you will find privacy and security. Click on that, then click on Windows security, then click on open Windows security. Here you need to find app and browser control. Click on this. You can see a reputation based protection. You have to just click on this. You have to turn off all these settings. Just turn it off. After turning off all the settings, just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the error Microsoft Defender SmartScreen prevented an unrecognized app from starting. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.